Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to what could easily be crowned the best compact drone of 2024, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now, what makes this little marvel stand out? Let's dive right into it. First off, its size. Don't let its compact frame fool you, weighing in at just under 249 grams. It's incredibly lightweight and doesn't require any pesky registration in the US. But wait, there's more. The Mini 4 Pro packs a serious punch in terms of performance. Equipped with a 1.3 CMOS sensor, it captures breathtaking 4K 60 FPS HDR video with jaw-dropping detail. And with its 3-axis gimbal, your footage remains buttery smooth and perfectly stabilized. Now let's talk flight time. Get ready to be amazed. With an impressive 45 minutes of flight time, you can capture all the aerial footage your heart desires without constantly worrying about battery life. And what about connectivity? Fear not. The DJI 04 transmission system ensures a reliable signal even at distances of up to 20 kilometers. That's right, no more dropped connections or signal loss mid-flight. But safety first, right? The Mini 4 Pro introduces a game-changer for the Mini series, omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Say goodbye to accidental bumps and crashes, as this feature keeps your drone out of harm's way, allowing you to focus on capturing those epic shots. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just dipping your toes into the world of aerial photography, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is undeniably the perfect companion for capturing high-quality footage on the fly. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your content creation game with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy flying.